Want to manage your GoDaddy email settings? In this video, I'll show you how to customize your GoDaddy email account settings so you can optimize your email experience. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the Email and Office section. Here, you'll find your email plan and account. Click on Manage next to the email address you want to configure. In the Email Management page, you'll see several options to manage your email settings. Let's start with setting up your email signature. Click on Email Settings and then Email Signature. Here, you can create a custom signature with your name, title, and contact information. Next, let's configure your email forwarding. If you want to forward emails to another account, go to the Forwarding section and enter the email address where you want to forward your incoming emails. You can set it to forward all emails or only certain types based on filters. If you want to change your email password, go to Account Settings and select Change Password. Make sure to create a strong, secure password to protect your account. You can also adjust your spam filters and create custom rules to organize incoming emails. Go to the Spam Filters section to enable or adjust your preferences. Finally, if you want to sync your email with mobile devices, go to the Mobile Setup section to get the IMAP or POP settings required for your phone or tablet. And that's it. You've successfully managed your GoDaddy email settings, optimizing your account for your needs. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GoDaddy tips and email management tutorials.